If CapCut is showing a black screen on your desktop, don't worry, because in this video I'm going to walk you through the most effective fixes step by step. This is one of those problems that can look serious, but in many cases it's caused by a settings conflict, a corrupted proxy file, or a cache issue. The good news is that you can usually fix it in just a few minutes without losing your project. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss more CapCut tutorials. Alright, let's jump right in. The first and most common fix is to disable GPU interface rendering. This is especially useful on the desktop version of CapCut, and it often solves black screen issues immediately. To do this, open CapCut Desktop and go to the top left corner. Click on Menu, then choose Settings from the drop-down list. Once the Settings window opens, click the Performance tab at the top. Here, you'll see a box labeled Render Interface with GPU. Uncheck that option first. If the black screen is still happening during playback, or when exporting, also uncheck Speed Up Hardware Encoding. After that, click Save and then completely close CapCut. Don't just minimize it, make sure you fully restart the app so the changes can take effect. If CapCut still shows a black screen after that, the next thing to check is whether one specific clip is causing the issue. Sometimes the problem is not the entire program, but a damaged proxy file attached to a video clip. To fix that, go to your media bin, which is the top left panel where your uploaded clips are stored. Find the clip that is showing a black screen on the timeline, then right-click it. From the menu, select Cancel File Proxy. This removes the proxy version and forces CapCut to use the original media again, which can instantly fix rendering problems on that clip. Now let's move on to another very important fix, and that is clearing the CapCut cache. Over time, temporary files can build up and cause glitches, slow performance, and black screen issues. To clear the cache, go back to the CapCut homepage before opening a project. In the top right corner, click the Settings gear icon. Inside the Settings area, look for Project Settings and find the Cache Size section. You should see a Delete or Trash icon. Click that to wipe the cache. This will not delete your actual projects or video files, so it's a safe step to take. Once the cache is cleared, reopen CapCut and check if the black screen is gone. If you're still having the issue, the next fix is to update your graphics drivers. An outdated driver can cause CapCut to display visual panels incorrectly or fail to render video properly. Updating your GPU drivers, make sure CapCut is working with the latest support from your graphics card. If you're using an NVIDIA card, you should also check whether NVIDIA G-Sync is enabled, because in some setups, it can interfere with CapCut's display performance. Disabling G-Sync can help remove screen glitches, stuttering, and black screen behavior. After updating the driver or changing the G-Sync setting, restart your computer and test CapCut again. At this point, one of these fixes usually solves the problem. The key thing is to go in order and test each step carefully. Start with disabling GPU interface rendering, then check the proxy on the specific clip, clear the cache, and finally update your graphics drivers if needed. These are the most reliable solutions for CapCut black screen issues on desktop, especially if the problem started after an update or after importing new media. If this video helped you fix CapCut, please give it a like, subscribe for more editing tutorials, and share it with someone else who's stuck on the same issue. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.